I don't know if I'll be able to capture this, but there are like killer whales outside, so I'm gonna try and get shots of that for you guys. There's the fin one. Oh, you can see that? Oh my god, that one was right there. Ah. My aunt just showed me, this is like the jewelry that they're selling on the ship, and it's called Colombian emeralds because, you know, it's so fancy. But look at these prices. $4,000. $4,000. Why? Oh, I'm looking really ashy. I'm not that dry, I swear. 2,500, 3,800, 2,500. Like, these prices are crazy, and they're like, oh, just casual, just buy one. But I'm pretty sure most of the people on this ship don't have this much money. Like, this is just ridiculous. Wow, that's pretty cheap. $800? Not. This is all so expensive. I don't understand. We don't come on a cruise to buy some jewelry.
In front of them.
Look guys, there's another one today. This one is an elephant. What the heck did I put on their eyes? We are about to dock, so out there you can kind of see it, not with the exposure. There you go. We're gonna dock soon, and we're in Juneau, which my aunt says is one of the largest cities in Alaska, if not the largest.
It's the biggest.
The largest, yeah. So we're gonna go up this tram, which you can't see from here, but it goes like really far up, and then we get to go to Mendenhall Glacier, and it's gonna be awesome. Look at all these people getting off the ship right now. They just keep coming out and herding like animals. And then they're going into the shuttles over here. That'll be us, but ours is a little later.
Alaska, and it is the state capital of Alaska, so with every state capital, you're gonna need your state capitol building. Now it just so happens that our state capitol building got voted going on. So if you guys look to your left, that is the Gatineau Channel. It's the same channel that your cruise ship came in on.
Hey guys, so you want to see something pretty spectacular? Look at this waterfall. And then the glaciers right there in the mountains. This is just so beautiful. I cannot comprehend, like, even just like that view back there is fantastic. My aunt is trying to take her selfie. Yes. Can't. Ice ones. Nice and tacky. So pretty. All these places are the same thing. Please excuse my appearance, I just got out of the shower, but basically there was a medical emergency and someone got like taken away in an ambulance, so we're leaving a little late from Juneau, but I'll show you guys like one last little clip when we are officially out to sea, because right now we are moving away from the dock and everything, so I'll show that and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog when we go to Skagway? Yeah, Skagway, I believe is what it's called. Yeah, Skagway.
Yo, this song will never be on the radio. Even if I click with a pick and the people with a vote, it's a few the proud and the emotional. Yo, you, bulletproof and black like a funeral. The water riders is burning but we're so cold. It's a few the proud and the emotional. I'm falling